Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. We'll get a break for the rain for most of the day today, but we'll be chatting here about another round of severe weather, maybe Thursday night into early Friday. Some cooler temperatures for the weekend as well, and we should have some cooler weather early this morning. We are definitely on the dry side of the front here, which is resulting in some slightly cooler temperatures due to that lower humidity. So we'll be in the 50s at sunrise and some patchy fog out there as well, given the rain that we had yesterday and some of the cooler temperatures this morning. So likely in the mid 50s around 7 a.m. or so, and we should have a nice little warm up today that will carry us into the 70s and low 80s. Kind of similar to the highs on Monday and Tuesday. We just won't have as much humidity today. So if you have some outdoor plans, I think you'll enjoy those all the way through the afternoon today. And we'll begin to see some rain maybe later tonight as well as Thursday. But the main event as far as the severe weather threat for us will be ushered in by this area of low pressure that's off the California coastline. That comes in Friday morning. It will bring all the ingredients with it for some severe storms. So let's get you a breakdown of what we're expecting here over the next 2 days. Again, severe weather threat for us tomorrow will be fairly low. We're expecting that front will be moving across Texas on Thursday. So the severe weather threat back in west, north, and central Texas much higher on Thursday. But a few of the storms can roll towards us maybe Thursday night, some gusty winds and possibility of some small hail with those storms, but I think it will be after midnight coming up on Friday morning that we'll begin to see some of the stronger storms move in, probably actually maybe around sunrise on Friday. So Friday's threats, mainly wind and hail, but there will be a warm front that precedes this cold front, and just depending on how far north that warm front is drawn will depend on where the tornado threat sets up, but there may be a threat for a few tornadoes, especially in deep East Texas as well as Louisiana, so that is definitely something we will have to watch for Friday. So we'll time this out for you again today. A few clouds early, but we should enjoy plenty of sunshine. Futurecast does show maybe a few rain showers popping up after sunset tonight. So then tonight, the chance for rain will be highest through the I-30 corridor. Don't expect any severe storms tonight, but there could be a few thunderstorms out there on Thursday. And then once we get into Thursday night, Friday morning, that's when we'll begin to see the rain pick up. So these would be the storms here early Friday morning. That would bring the potential for that severe weather. And the models have been kind of shifting the timing a little later and later, so that will be something to keep an eye on to see if that maybe severe weather threat will linger into the early afternoon hours on Friday. But by Friday night, we should be clearing out here pretty quickly. We'll dry out for the weekend. Weekend will be cooler, but actually should have some nice outdoor weather both Saturday as well as Sunday. And as far as the rain here, given we could begin to see the rain tonight along I-30 and then that push of rain coming in Friday, folks here along I-30 will probably see about an inch to an inch and a half of rain, and then lower totals south of I-20. But again, the drought conditions have improved big time in the last few months here, so this will be decent beneficial rainfall for us. And again, we'll stay warm through Friday, but we'll feel that cooler air over the weekend. Weekend mornings will be chilly, likely in the 40s, but daytime highs in the 60s, and a nice little warm up will carry some of that great weather into at least the first few days of next week as well.